head back, and hold on. For your safety, please keep your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the ride at all times.
Are you ready? Dad Coaster Company. What's up, guys? My name is Drew Anthony Duncan, or Dad for short. Welcome to Holiday World and Splashin Safari, my home park. I'm pretty excited to be here today. I'm here once again this year for a company outing. I'm super excited to get in the park today to see what kind of construction updates we can find regarding their new for 2024 roller coaster over at the former Pilgrim's Plunge area. So super excited, hoping the rain and storms stay away today. So let's get in the park and let's get to it. We're officially inside the park here in the Christmas area of the park. Got an advertisement here for the holidays in the Sky Show, June 17th through July 30th. We're going to be checking that out later on today, hopefully, as long as the weather doesn't cancel the show. These goofballs that I'm with thought it would be a good idea to hit up Raven first, when we all know that Raven's going to have the longest line since the park just opened and it's right by the front. If you do come to Holiday World and you want to kind of start off with like short waits and stuff like that, your best bet is going to head to the back of the park to Thunderbird, probably get in line for that, and then hit up Voyage and make your way back towards the front of the park. That's where you're going to get your shortest lines probably. We have hopped in line here for the Legends. The line doesn't look too bad. The switchbacks down there are not currently open, so should just wrap around here and go up here to the station. I think this is my first ever front row ride on Legend. I am super stoked about this. I'll let you guys know how it is when I get off. I just got off of a front row ride on Legends. It was fantastic. Laterals are crazy, the helix is crazy. Everybody already knows about that coaster. One of the best coasters here at Holiday World. One of the best woodies in the world as well. Super fantastic ride. Check it out if you're coming here to Holiday World. If you're interested in going to Splashin Safari, it splits off right here next to the 4th of July entrance of the 4th of July section. You just go right down this hill over here to Splashin Safari. There's also another entrance over by Voyage as well. And we are now heading into the Thanksgiving section, where obviously a couple of the headline attractions are Voyage, of course, as well as Thunderbird back there. Next up, we're getting on Voyage. I plan to probably have several rides on this today. And I want to try and get as close to a night ride as I can tonight. Park is open until 9, so we'll see if that happens. Looks like this turn right here is all new track here. I know they retracked some of this ride this year, but looks like this is one of the portions of some of the new track.
Welcome to the Voyage. If you're next in line to ride, please.
Welcome back.
All right, Voyage ride complete. We got a ride near the back of the train and it just felt so relentless. It was never ending, obviously. One of the longest woodies in the world. The train was just hauling through its course. Like I said, probably gonna get a few different rides on it today and hopefully get a ride as close to night as possible as we can today. Of course, we've got Mayflower over here, but as you can see here, back here, the station for the former Pilgrim's Plunge area. This is where the new for 2024 coaster is gonna go. So it looks like they're already kind of maybe gonna get ready to reopen the pathways over here, or at least reconstruct them to fit the new ride. super excited about this. We'll see if we can get some better shots of the construction site here shortly. Got a fun little advertisement here for the ability to be able to sign up to get different clues for the new coaster. You can see it a little bit better over here. See if we can get a better shot. All right, so here's what the area is currently looking like right now. I'm not any type of engineer or anything like that, but yeah, it looks like a lot of work going on over here. Of course, the station is still standing as well, where Pilgrim's Plunge used to be housed. So yeah, super excited about this area. This area definitely looks like it could fit part of a boomerang. I'm sure it's not only going to take up this area, it'll probably go somewhere else back here as well. And here we are, we've made the long journey back here to Thunderbird, B&M Wing Coaster that launches you.
Have fun! You enjoy it, right?
Thunderbird was great as always. I love me some B&Ms. One of my favorite manufacturers, and repping probably the best B&M in the history of B&Ms, Fury 325. Hope that ride can be repaired here pretty soon. Know how that crack in the support and everything, but hopefully Fury can open soon. But yeah, Thunderbird, great ride here, obviously. Launch at the beginning was super fun. The burst inversion, super fun as well. I just love the corkscrew that it does at the very end before you hit the final brake run too as well. It's really awesome. Check out Thunderbird if you haven't. Here is the second entrance to Splashin Safari that I was talking about earlier, right here next to Voyage. And Voyage is going up the lift hill now. We're just leaving the picnic area where my company had our lunch. And behind the crack in this fence, you can't really see it, but this is where Raging Rapids was. We all know that this ride is now unfortunately closed. Very sad. Probably one of the most popular family rides here at the park, but it is right behind this fence. Quickly put this fence up, and hopefully they will replace it with something really cool soon. We are now making our way into Splashin Safari. It is open until 7 today. As a lot of you know, Splashin Safari is one of the best water parks worldwide, honestly. A lot of great slides here. Consider themselves the water coaster capital of the world as well. So excited to get back in this water park. I love coming to this water park every time I'm in the park. I get some fun rides on some slides today. Alright guys, I am back from the water park, Splashin Safari here at Holiday World. Had a fantastic time in the water park today. Rode all of the water coasters, Wildebeest, Mammoth, as well as Cheetah Chase. Did a bunch of the other slides as well in the water park. If you haven't checked out Splashin Safari, you really need to. It is a top tier water park in the United States and even probably the world as well. Awesome park with awesome slides. So we're gonna head back to the dry park now. So we will see what we get on. Hopefully get a night ride on Voyage, as well as we still need to ride the Raven today as well. So we will see what all we get done here back in the dry park. We just grabbed a quick bite to eat after Splashin Safari. Now we're heading back to the Halloween section to hit up Raven since we skipped it earlier. And we have a station wait currently for Raven, so I think we timed this pretty well as far as saving this for the end of the day instead of doing it at the very beginning when everybody rushes to this ride. I just got off Raven, and I think it was running a little bit rougher than Legend, honestly, at least today. The laterals were hitting pretty hard, as well as had some decent airtime on the first drop, as well as the airtime hills. But overall, yeah, not a bad ride, but yeah, a little rough. All right, y'all, just got off of our second ride today on Voyage. It was absolutely incredible. This ride is running absolutely insane right now. Unfortunately, wasn't able to get a night ride. They are closing this ride down early for the Holidays in the Sky show, but it was kind of a dusk ride, but still incredible experience. Either way, when it's day or night, check out Voyage. One of the best, and it's my #1 Woody in the world. Check out Voyage when you come here to Holiday World. Everyone's migrating to the back of the Thanksgiving section for the Holidays in the Sky show.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, look to the sky as 400 drones take flight. It's time for Holidays in the Sky. Wow, what a show! Thank you for helping us light up the night.
Well guys, we just finished up the Holidays in the Sky drone show here at Holiday World, and oh my goodness, it totally blew away my expectations. That show was incredible. If you're here during, there's specific dates, and I can post those later when I look them up, but there's specific dates where they are doing this drone show, Holidays in the Sky, at the park closure each night. And yeah, if you're here during one of those days where they are having this show, get over here and check it out. It is a must-see. You do not want to miss it. Holidays in the Sky. Check it out. I will also be putting up a separate video that shows the entire show from my point of view. So head over there to that video and check that out as well. But yes, check out Holidays in the Sky. You will not regret it. Well guys, that is going to do it for our fantastic day here at Holiday World and Splashin Safari today. This has probably been one of the better trips that I've had here in years, a number of years. Again, that drone show is spectacular. Voyage is running incredible as always. Just overall fantastic time here today. So subscribe to the channel and follow us on Instagram and check out the Dad Coaster podcast. We will see you in the next one.